Two dead after dramatic car chase and shootout in St. James.
One CRV come one farm bus.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
2 men are now dead and 5 others injured during a dramatic car chase and shootout that ended in tragedy along the Lilliput Main Road on the outskirts of Montego Bay, St. James on Tuesday the 14th of July. The Corporate Communications Unit of the Jamaica Constabulary Force confirmed the shooting and the 2 fatalities. It is believed that passengers in the Honda CRV had been involved in a shooting incident in the Rose Hall area and were being chased by men in another car. Both vehicles raced along the Lilliput Main Road, exchanging gunfire and performing evasive driving maneuvers through traffic. During the ensuing car chase and the shootout, the CRV swerved out of control and hit a bus before slamming into a wall and a light pole. The driver of the CRV died on the spot.
One farm bus, one CRV come one farm bus.
And the bus driver, who suffered severe injuries, was taken to hospital where he died while receiving treatment.
Everyone stifle now. So take him out, brother.
You can't come out.
Take him out, yes, brother. I could have me.
Oh, you go try. You go and set. If you turn over, that him up.
I tell him that every try take him out and fuck him up.
You
are making time. A medical man have to take him out. You can't touch me now. No, you take him out. Hey, you can't touch him out. You can't touch me now. When we got prison fee me now. Take him out. Hey, when we got prison fee me now.
Hey, over Jack.
Sorry.
Several passengers on the bus also sustained injuries. However, their conditions were not known at the time of this publication. The men in the car which had been giving chase fled the scene, though the information around that is still sketchy, as it is unclear if they fled the scene of the crash on foot or in the chasing vehicle. The Montego Bay police are investigating the incident.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.